The world is rapidly changing. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Among the most transformative technologies is artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing countless industries. From healthcare to finance, it is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. At the forefront of this AI revolution is Assemble AI. Assemble AI is not just another AI company, it is a pioneer in the field of real-time audio and video processing. This cutting-edge technology is poised to reshape our relationship with multimedia content. Imagine a world where audio and video data can be understood, analyzed, and acted upon instantaneously. This is the promise of Assemble AI. Traditional AI systems often struggle with the complexities of real-time processing. They are typically designed for static data analysis. Assemble AI, however, is built from the ground up for real-time applications. It can handle the immense volume and velocity of streaming data, making it ideal for a wide range of use cases. Real-time processing analyzes and responds to data instantly. Unlike traditional AI, which is slow and disjointed, real-time processing is like a natural conversation. Information is exchanged instantly. This is the power of Assemble AI, enabling machines to interact with the world, opening new possibilities for businesses, allowing faster informed decisions, automating complex processes. Imagine a real-time customer service chatbot. Assemble AI is transforming businesses. Traditional AI, while powerful, often falls short in real-time applications. Traditional AI systems are designed for batch processing. This method processes data in groups, not individually. Efficient for large data sets, but not for real-time needs. Traditional AI relies on large labeled data sets. These are used to train models to recognize patterns. Collecting and labeling data is time-consuming and costly. This is a barrier for businesses implementing AI. Traditional AI models are complex and computationally expensive, difficult to deploy on edge devices like smartphones, often relegated to the cloud, causing latency issues. These limitations highlight the need for real-time AI solutions. Section 4. Assemble AI, bridging the gap. Assemble AI addresses the limitations of traditional AI by offering a powerful and flexible platform for real-time audio and video processing. Unlike traditional AI systems, Assemble AI is built on a microservices architecture. This allows for greater flexibility and scalability, enabling businesses to easily customize their AI solutions to meet their specific needs. Assemble AI also leverages the power of cloud computing. This allows it to process massive amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Whether it's transcribing a live meeting, analyzing customer sentiment in real time, or generating captions for a live stream, Assemble AI can handle it all with ease. One of the key differentiators of Assemble AI is its ability to handle unstructured data. Unstructured data, such as audio and video, is notoriously difficult for traditional AI systems to process. However, Assemble AI excels in this area, thanks to its advanced machine learning algorithms. These algorithms can extract meaningful insights from unstructured data, unlocking a wealth of information that was previously hidden. Section 5. Real-world applications transforming industries. The applications of Assemble AI are vast and varied. Its real-time data processing opens up possibilities across industries. Examples include transcription, voice analysis, and content moderation. Assemble AI generates accurate transcripts and captions. This makes content accessible to a wider audience. Businesses can analyze customer conversations to improve services. AI insights help develop new products and optimize marketing. AI can automatically flag inappropriate content in real time, essential for creating a safe online environment. These are just a few examples of Assemble AI in use. Expect more innovative applications as technology evolves. Section 6. The future of Assemble AI, a world of possibilities. The future of Assemble AI is bright. As technology evolves, it will play a greater role in our lives. Expect Assemble AI in more devices, from smartphones to cars. Assemble AI will impact education significantly. Students will get real-time feedback on language pronunciation. Healthcare will also see major changes with Assemble AI. Doctors will diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Section 7. Embracing the future of AI. Assemble AI represents a significant leap forward in the field of artificial intelligence. Its ability to process audio and video data in real time opens up a world of possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. From improving customer experiences to advancing scientific research, Assemble AI has the potential to transform our world in countless ways. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era of AI, it is essential that we embrace the potential of this technology while also being mindful of its ethical implications. By working together, we can ensure that AI is used for good and that it benefits all of humanity. I encourage you to delve deeper into the world of Assemble AI and discover how it can empower you to achieve more than you ever thought possible. The future of AI is here, and it is filled with endless possibilities. Let us explore it together.